to use QR codes for effortless visitor registration at your open house. Ready to make open house visitor registration fast, easy, and totally contactless? QR codes are here to save the day. With Open House Wizard, you can set up a streamlined registration process that impresses visitors while keeping all their info organized. Let's walk through how to set up QR codes for an efficient, paper-free open house registration. How Open House Wizard makes QR code registration a breeze. Open House Wizard offers several easy options to add QR code registrations to your open house setup. Printable flyers with QR codes. Perfect for placing near entrances or the sign-in table. Visitor registration pages. Display these on any device, iPad, laptop, or tablet, to make registration even easier. Downloadable QR codes. Add these to custom flyers or signs you design for the open house. The best part? Each flyer and QR code page is customizable with color and design options that match your branding. Getting started. Setting up QR code registration with Open House Wizard. Let's dive in step by step. Step 1. Log in or create an account. Head to Open House Wizard and log in. If you're new, no worries. Just sign up for a free account at openhousewiz.com, and you're good to go. Step 2. Add or select a property. Once you're on the dashboard, select an existing property or add a new one. Be sure to fill in property details and upload a few eye-catching photos to make the listing pop. Step 3. Create a flyer with QR code. Next, click Add Flyer for the property you want, confirm all the details, and hit Create Flyer. A custom QR code flyer will be sent straight to your inbox. Step 4. Print and display your flyer. Print the flyer and set it up near your open house entrance. When visitors arrive, invite them to scan the QR code to register and watch the magic happen. How visitors register using QR codes. With QR codes, visitor registration is a breeze. Here's how easy it is. 1. Visitors simply open their phone's camera or QR scanner app. 2. They hover over the QR code and a link to your registration form appears. 3. With a quick tap, they're taken to the form where they enter their info and are instantly registered. No paper, no pen, no hassle. Managing visitor registrations and follow-ups. Thanks to Open House Wizard, you can track registrations in real time and follow up with visitors effortlessly. Automated follow-up messages. After signing in, visitors automatically receive a confirmation email or thank you message with extra property details, keeping your follow-up professional and consistent. Just one click enables a drip campaign to stay connected with visitors post-event. These are fully customizable, so your messages are always on brand. Additional options for QR code sign-in. Want to give visitors more registration options? Open House Wizard's QR code sign-in pages have you covered. Multiple registration choices. Visitors can register using QR codes, text codes, or a classic sign-in form. Recent Visitors page. Track each visitor as they register and add notes directly from the dashboard to keep everything organized. Why QR codes are ideal for open house registration. Here's why QR codes are a game changer for open house registration. Touch-free convenience. Visitors register quickly without handling shared materials, perfect for today's events. Fast and efficient. No lines or paper sign-ins. Visitors register on their phones in seconds. Organized data management. Digital storage means no messy handwriting or misplaced info. Easy follow-up. Stay connected with visitors post-event, sending thank yous, property updates, and more. Using QR codes with Open House Wizard is the ultimate way to keep open house registration professional, easy, and seamless. Next time you're hosting an open house, try QR code registration. Your visitors will appreciate the modern, effortless experience.